Welcome back to my Muft English YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn about some important and short sentence English to Urdu translated. If you are new on my channel, please forget subscribe this channel and like the video. So let's start without any waste time. Today video. He is my sworn enemy. He is my sworn enemy. वो मेरा जानी दुश्मन है. I can't wait any longer. I can't wait any longer. मैं मज़ीद इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता. What are you up to? तुम क्या करने वाले हो? What are you up to? तुम क्या करने वाले हो? Go ahead. Go ahead. शुरू कीजिए. She is very pampered. She is very pampered. वो बहुत लाडली है. Who is she to you? Who is she to you? वो तुम्हारी क्या लगती है? Wring the clothes. Wring the clothes. कपड़े निचोड़ दो. How much is it? How much is it? ये कितने का है? As you wish. As you wish. जैसे आपकी मर्जी. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. मेरा मतलब ये नहीं था. This is an utter nonsense. This is an utter nonsense. ये बिल्कुल फजूल बात है. Is everything all right? Is everything all right? सब ठीक तो है ना? She is doing her hair. She is doing her hair. वो अपने बाल संवार रही है. Peel the orange. Peel the orange. संतरा छील दो. Don't worry, घबराए मत. Don't worry, घबराए मत. Attend to your work. Attend to your work. अपने काम पर ध्यान दें. अपने काम पर ध्यान दें. Attend to your work. He is a bit conservative. वो कदरे पुराने ख्यालात वाला है. He is a bit conservative. वो कदरे पुराने ख्यालात वाला है. It doesn't matter. कोई बात नहीं. It doesn't matter. कोई बात नहीं. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. कुछ गड़बड़ है.